cash. Oh,
Okay, I'll just record this one for you.
yeah.
So if you click on dashboard for a second, Niall.
Dashboard. Yeah.
Have a look at what we have up here. And I'll answer that. Yeah.
No, I haven't gone near the bank doing any of that reconciling, so I'm way behind on it.
Okay, but don't worry for the moment. If you could see, I'm going to add an account there, cash to be lodged, okay?
Yeah.
On the right hand side. So I'll just go to register first.
Yeah.
On that. So, let's bring this in there. Just actually go to accounting, chart of accounts. Yeah. And this opens up now. We'll just add a new account. Okay, we get rid of that bill. Finally, it came up.
Our internet connection is unstable.
Is it saying that yet?
Yeah, I think I'd say about 6 times last night it prompted me to put in a password. It sent me an email and said, "Are you this person? Put in this password." Oh.
Well, for now anyway, if you could just go to accounting on the bottom left.
Yeah.
And then click on chart of accounts. Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll show you how to handle this. Yeah. So we're just going to add it. This only once off. So if you click new on the top right.
New.
Yeah. No, just the word new. Don't do import. Yeah.
Oh, sugar. Okay, get rid of that. Go back to new.
Import there. Just X that.
No, new.
Okay. New again.
Yeah.
Okay, and just where the word bank is on the right,
Yeah.
change that to cash to be lodged. Okay, and just save and close that. And then click back on dashboard again.
Yeah, cash bill, yeah, in QuickBooks, yeah.
Okay, so
yeah.
Have you got a client who paid in cash there a minute ago?
Well, I have to do the invoice first. I think paid us in cash. Invoicing, customer John Hannon is his name. Let's see. Yeah, there he is. He's in cross-border. Yeah, that's it. New invoice. And gangway seed barley. Oh, barley seeds. Watch this now, the 15th of the 3rd. The 15th of the 3rd, inclusive of tax. And it's SWD. Minus barley. Anyway, that's it there, it's there anyways. And 8 bags. Now, Martin said this to me today. He said, I could charge you 280, and the next fella that comes in the door, I might only charge him 250. He said, I need to be able to, change the prices. I said, that's straightforward enough to do. Let's just put in the whatever you're charging them. No, there said that about the date.
That quality in handing again. She is.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
we'll put it to today for now, and I'll have a look at that after this. Yeah. I even look at it during this.
It doesn't really matter actually with him.
Oh, okay. Just save that there. Don't save and close.
Receive the payment. Yeah.
Yeah, we go receive the payment. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Cash.
Mhm.
Yeah.
So it's receiving it into
And
cash.
put it into cash. And it's 280. That's it.
Okay,
Save and
now
close.
don't press save and close.
Oh, I've done. Sugar.
Okay, just go back. So if you
Just go
click
back to-
on receive payment again, it'll show up here anyway. Just click into it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Wait for it to open up there.
Mm-hmm.
So you see where it says deposit to in the middle of the screen to the left.
Yeah.
Click on that little box there. And because it's
Yeah.
cash and we haven't lodged it yet. Oh yeah, it goes into cash to be lodged. Yeah.
Yeah.
Sorry, yeah, that's fine. So yeah, save and close now, and then click on dashboard.
So supposing supposing there's €1,000 there, right? Cash to lodge, and Martin is going to the bank and he brings down 6 checks and he writes a check himself for €1,000, sends it in. We need to be able to, don't
Yeah.
we?
So at the moment you have 280 and you send checks there. So all that happens is for each of those you do a transfer. So moving it between those items that you're looking at on the right is a transfer.
All right, yeah.
So you go plus transfer. Say he lodged the 280, you go transfer 280 into the bank, and say he lodged 500 of those checks.
Yeah.
You go transfer 500 from checks to be lodged. There's 2 separate movements on this. I know it'll be combined on the bank statements, but you just have to recognize that the 2 lodgements here equal the 1 lodgement in reality. Yeah. Does that sound okay to you?
That sounds grand. That sounds grand. So that's how I do lodgements, how I do when Martin goes with checks. I think I have a few here that so if I go back to banking, right, there was a lodgement on the 8th of March of 3910 into the bank.
Okay.
Show it to me now. Will it show it to me now? It mightn't show me now.
Oh yeah, it's
yeah.
bank isn't connected at the moment, is it not? It looks like it is. Oh, it is, yeah.
Okay. I'll talk to you later. I'll talk to you later. Yeah, bye. Sorry. Yeah, the 29th, the 3rd. I've done a lot of these receipts here today, but where's the 29th and the 3rd?
Yeah, those ones that are saying
Further
match,
up
if they're
again.
matching up, you can just click on match on those anytime.
Yeah, but that's the 3910. And I
Okay.
have, that's 2, 4, 6, 8 checks at 3910.
Okay.
So how do I match that?
Now you won't match as handy as that.
Not, no.
So what's happened there is, yeah, he's walked down with the 8 checks, so you have. But it looks fine. The only thing I'm wondering about, there isn't enough. Go down to 3910 again for me.
3910. Yes.
Oh yes, down the bottom there. And was that checks or was it cash and checks or what was it?
Checks, all checks.
Okay. Well, there it's kind of
8
guessing.
checks.
Okay, just click on, not on add, click on credit slips there on the left.
The credit slip, yeah.
Yeah, just click there. Yeah. So we want this to be a transfer. You see there, record as a transfer. Go back up. It kind of opens up a big box for you.
Yeah. Record as a transfer, yeah?
Because it's coming out of checks to be lodged into the bank. Okay.
Yes.
So if you go add there.
Add, yeah.
Yeah. And then click on dashboard again.
I have dashboard again.
Now, yeah. So on the right here, you'll see that checks to be lodged will now be in a minus.
Yeah.
Okay, and the reason is if you just click into that, click, Press on 3023 and go click it.
Slow. It's gone slow, but anyways.
All that's happened
Yeah.
here is we've lodged more checks than we appeared to have. Okay, so there's probably a few checks you haven't recorded as arriving yet. Is that?
No, and they have both of them recorded that he
Yeah,
lodged.
okay.
3910 is made up of €800 into the west. There, see there? That one there.
Okay.
€90 from that fella there.
Probably.
Seamus Kevin has 877. I don't know where it is now. There's an 877 there somewhere from somebody else. There's a 500 from Jack Farrell, wherever that is. That's also really. There's Jack Farrell's 500. So I can't match the 3910, can I? With the payments, the people that lodged checks.
No, but you don't need to, as long as we know they're all in here. But if you go down to the bottom of that page altogether,
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah. Well,
Yeah,
the next
so
page is.
next page even, yeah. Go to the next one. I still see how this starts off. It's in a minus. So we started off, oh yeah, so it started off in a minus. So on the 26th of January, you see there,
Yeah.
we lodged those two amounts. But we've nothing received before that. So we lodged, according to QuickBooks here, like we lodged money that we hadn't even got yet. So there must have been checks there ready to lodge in the start, in other words.
Yeah.
So,
yeah.
So that's causing the minus further up, basically. So now it might just be that our opening position is checks to be lodged of 12023. So when we lodge them, you know, we started from zero. That might be it.
I also don't.
Yeah.
Yeah, you see, in my current system, if he went into the bank and he brought in, should we say, the first four of those, and then he left the 1700, he said, I can't lodge that until next week. I will mark the ones that he's launching.
Yeah,
Pick
and
the ones I think that he's launching and leave the one.
yeah, you can do that. See where your
Leave the one.
cursor is. If you tick there,
Yeah.
it'll bring up a C and an R, I think. Just click it there.
Oh yeah.
So you can tick them off there. If you click in there, it'll go C, such as, or R. Click into the empty box there.
There.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. C. What does C mean?
Cleared.
Cleared. And R is reconciled, is it? Or
Yeah. But either will be fine, you know, it'll keep track for you.
yeah, and how I go with that as well.
So it's a matter of knowing what's not lodged at the moment, then we'd work back from that, you know.
Yeah.
So there's a good few there today now that mightn't be lodged yet. So if he lodged on the 9th of March, yeah, I know what you mean. You might have to hang on to one or two.
2nd of March, he lodged 20, now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 checks on the 22nd of March, and that came to 6255. That one isn't lodged anyways, I know that.
No, that's in the waiting room as well, actually.
Yeah.
So you can put that one in as well now if you want.
That one there went in.
That one never went in, okay.
Yeah, sorry. This one here is just definitely lodged. And the 215 for Sean Moore is lodged. You have any, let's see, I didn't save it. So do I want it to see or?
Well, if that's not either of those is fine, just be consistent with it, you know. You can go either way.
Or
if it's not lodged, just don't put anything beside it.
yeah, it is. So I put in R and the 215. So that's the 215. I put in an R. Save. There's 2385.
Say yes.
You see a check there for 2385 from. There it is. And then there's Francis Hines, 245. They'd be all coming in around the same time. 245 there.
Hi, Brett. Okay. Oh yeah, work away. No, that's fine. You work away. Okay, honey. Bye. Sorry.
Surely there. Yeah, there. These are the invoices now that I put them all in. Point to that date. Yeah, I had to put all of these in. Come on.
Okay,
That's
just click
the-
on actors. Yeah.
Bill payment, I don't want that.
Yeah. So just bring up the actual bill. If you click on one of those actual bills there.
How come I can't see this?
Yeah, so just there now. Click. That's a small one now, but anyway.
Oh, is that a credit? No, oh, sorry. No, not that. In Central Chemical, hold on. Didn't I say that it- the ones I put in. The 21st of January. This one here. 12755, €1,980.
When did you put that one in?
I haven't been now. Must have done that on the old system.
Yeah, it must have been an inherited one. Yeah.
Yeah, it is. It's inherited.
So we might need to put the stock amount in on a couple of these ones. See on the item below.
Yeah, I need to get the actual invoice, wouldn't I?
You would.
Let's see, I'd have it here. Hold on a second. Care Central Chemical. It's 198. This is tank and line cleaner, 205 liters, 12755. Yeah. So do I need to go down here to the product?
You do.
And it's
Put in there.
tank and line cleaner. No, it's chlorine free. C/F is chlorine free, and it's the 205 liters, which is down further. This one here, that's what it is. And he bought 12 of them at 165. Now, what should be the VAT rate coming in? They didn't charge us any VAT.
Yeah, so the VAT rate would have been, if you bought the same stuff in the south, we're presumably 23. So you see where he says VAT there, right? I'm going to click on that.
Yeah.
The one you want, and we sell it, is reverse charge, good to resale, 23%. RCGR, we just see where it is there. Yeah, you just see. First charge, good resale. We just goods. Yeah, these are all, it's this one here. RCGR, RCG-R. Just click on that one a second. Yeah.
Yeah.
And you see here at the bottom of the screen.
Yeah.
So it's pretended to add VAT on.
Yeah.
And then it's taken it off. Okay.
Yeah.
Now, if you go save and close there a second.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
No,
Actually,
do you have to delete what's up on the top line?
you do actually. Yeah. Sorry, I just realized that. You delete that guy there. Yeah.
Yeah. And save and close.
Yeah. And then, oh,
yeah, I have to change the date, haven't I?
You do, yeah. And I was actually just having a look there at your QuickBooks here about that when you were doing something there. Let's have a look here. See, can I pick that up now with the VAT about the stock? Oh, you know what the heck it is now? I think I know how to fix that. What was the name of the product you just had that time?
It was C/F. It's the 1980, this one here.
Wait here a second. It's yeah,
Detergent.
some type of detergent anyway, is it? Yeah.
Yeah, it's chlorine free.
Chlorine free.
He doesn't pay VAT, but he charges the VAT on.
Yeah, and that's okay.
But I had to change the date on it.
Just looking here. Spell what's called again? C/F.
C/F.
Yeah.
205L.
Oh yeah, detergent is it?
Yeah. I know it's weird, some of the names.
Of two of them here now. 205L or
205. 205L, or there should be a 25L or 1000L. 25L is 25 litres. 205 is a barrel sort of thing, 205 litres.
Okay. I gotta bring this back to the thing here.
C/F. See there?
Yeah, I see it now. I'm just looking on my own system here to see, can I fix that thing for you? Not opening up for me here.
No, I don't want to save this because I've changed the amount or something. The quantity has changed there.
Yeah. Come back to you. Oh.
But I won't save this now. I'll close this without saving it.
Okay, well, what you do is you use the RCGR is what you do, and
RCG.
that return property fee as well. Yeah.
Yeah. So will I'm going to change all these. So, and do I have to? The date will have to go the 28th and 3rd, 2022.
It will, but I'm just gonna trick around with it here and see can I change that aspect for you.
All right. Very good.
Yeah, I was doing it there, but it was. I was getting confused between which product it was, so I'll just see if can I do a quick change in it, and I'll drop you an email now as well. Or I think the fact I'm sharing this and looking on it and we're both on it is kind of confusing. So
yeah.
Hopefully, anyway, I can move that back a date. Hopefully, I should be able to. Yeah.
I'm going to go in. So will I go in and change them all, or will I leave it until you come back to me?
Yeah, leave it till I come back to you because I'll just continue on and I'll come back. I know you're going to Portugal tomorrow, but I'll see if I can do this straight away. Yeah.
And I'm back now next Monday. So I'll be out with Martin.
Okay.
And I know he'll want to do the statements around the 15th or 16th or 17th. So the two things we'll have to sort out is the address on the statement.
Oh yeah.
And the other thing is we can't print information of what the invoice is. Can you break
No.
them? No.
But if we could email them,
Yeah.
it would save a lot of grief.
Yeah. What I might do is get him to slip a note to people and say, look, we've changed over.
Yeah.
We've changed systems.
Well, you can blame the green economy. Say,
and like he could text people and forward the text to me then. He has my phone, forward me on the text. If people reply with their email address, forward it on to me and I'll start inputting the email addresses.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I think the other thing is on his phone, he could be able to send them the invoices there and then by email.
I don't think he wants that. He's just so busy. He's flying all over the place.
All right.
Yeah,
okay.
he's just so busy. He doesn't want to be bogged down with paperwork.
Yeah, fair enough.
So I said to him, if he wants, I'll go in and do the stock take with them on Saturday week to get the stock.
Okay.
So it mightn't be done until then. And then he can maybe.
That's fine, as long as we have a date. I'd like to fix that that tracking stock error message you're getting there now.
Yeah, I know all the invoices I put in as well, so I can change all of them, manually. Once you can do it. If I can do it, I'll do it.
Tracking stock. I'm just going on to the help thing here. Tracking stock. Tracking inventory. Yeah, I'm just going to read a help thing here just to.
What I should probably have done with all of that stock was to put it at the 1st of February or something, 1st of January.
Maybe. I'm going to have a look here at when I turned it on for you. Settings, sales, edit. Okay, I'm just okay, if you're open there, I'll get you to do it because you're on it there. So if you click the cog on the top right, up there above new transaction, it'll that guy. Okay, it'll bring up some stuff.
Yeah.
Click on account and settings.
Account and settings, yeah.
Yeah. And then we'll click on sales and this opens up. Give it about 5 seconds to populate. A bit more is to come there.
Gosh, it's slow.
Well, maybe not. Click on sales there. Maybe that's all that's coming up on it. Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Form.
Okay, so yeah, so this okay, so if you click down to sales there, Eileen.
Yeah. So sales.
Is that their sales? Let me just have a look here a second.
Show product sales.
Yeah, so show track quantity and price array. It's not asking me a date there. See.
Show aging table at bottom. No. Email options for sale forms. Reminders. Messages.
Yeah. Just, it's not giving us a date. But I thought it might give me a date there. Let me trick around with it anyway. Mine's a little bit quicker here. The other place is then is on each individual item. I might ask the start date, but it was, and I adjusted that. But that didn't seem to work either. So I'm just going to go in here and see. Can I work it out here? Okay. So yes, track quantity and price and rate. You think? Just gonna click edit over here again. Edit. Track inventory quantity on hand. You just knock that off. I'm gonna knock it on.
You're about to turn on inventory tracking, which uses first in, first out. Turning this on will affect your books.
But we have it on. We have it on. Yeah. That's so. Yeah, that's okay. It didn't give me any date there, so I'll just cancel that. It's on already. Like we have it on. Yeah. Advanced.
Time turn language currency. Date
No.
format. No.
No, nothing there in it. Let me just go into my own one again. I'm in Kilmore over here as well.
All right.
So you know what I'll do? I'll just stop sharing yours for a second.
Yeah.
I'll bring you over to me. And tell me if I lose you.
God, there's so much stuff. Products and services.
Yeah, so what I was wondering was, I hope it's not a one-by-one thing, but we'll see. So I was here. But this is on the 28th of March, this thing here. This.
I changed that because there was two of them supposed to be, and he wouldn't have two of them in stock.
All right.
Yeah, so I said there's only one.
I tried to move that back to the first, and it wouldn't. I don't think it would take. Yeah, it comes after the date you started tracking. Learn more. That's what I wanted to. It wouldn't open for me earlier.
Wouldn't open.
No, still not opening. I might. Yeah, I might have to check with another guy. And I'm the #1 guy in the country, and I'm going to check with someone. not so hot after all. Yeah, so that's what I was on. Let me just see there, tracking stuff. It should be a different. No. So why the heck is this at that now?
I probably, if you had even put a date of the 1st of February, it would have.
Yeah.
It would have sorted it out. It would have just been a few in January.
It would have. I'm just wondering how we can get around it. Starting value.
When you make the change, it says what date do you want to make the change at, right? When you change the stock, right? Down further, there's a.
Is there?
The date. See there? Where does it? Somewhere the date there.
See a date there somewhere, is it?
What is the date? It is in purchasing cost, inclusive or exempt.
Might be on this part.
No.
No.
There is a part there that the date, and you put in the date, you're changing it.
Well, there's the first now, that one. Maybe
Just go into amend one thing there and have a look down, down further. Yeah, pick that.
That one, okay.
Yeah. And you're changing it. The sales price is 909. And if you want to change that to 1,000, just make it sales price 1,000. And then you go down to inclusive and save it. See, will it offer you a date? inclusive of purchase tax. Yeah, save and close.
Don't think so, no.
No.
I'm just, I see inventory here now. No, I didn't.
It was in there invoicing products and services where I did all this.
Okay.
Like in total, how many invoices did I say I put in?
26.
26, yeah.
Yeah. Just other places here. We have little tricks going on. That's one of them. It's not one of them. Yeah, I might just have to ask someone. Inventory start date.
Inventory adjustment, is it?
Maybe start date. Manage inventory. Just when I was on. Oh, so you can add stock items. Okay. Okay. Add your product's initial quantity on hand, then enter when you started tracking that quantity in the as of date.
Mm.
Okay. Give us, I must have given us yeah, beginning to, I think, work it out. So I'm just going to click on one of these again.
Just change the sales. This is your test, isn't it? So it's
It is. Actually, I'll come away from there and I'll go up to products and services. Well, it is products and services. Yeah, okay. It is. Yeah, I think I asked the date when we were changing it over. So when we went for inventory
yeah,
as of date,
that's it. Yeah.
that's the date now. As of date. Can we change that again? Okay, that's the date. Choose. How do you choose? You can only use the stuff after this. Okay, for example, if you create a stuff item. Can you change the as of date? That's what we want.
Mm.
That's the mistake now.
Mm.
Change the as of. Leave it. Yeah, it's changing these two. We change them. God, I hope we can. Well, it's not the end of the world, it's just to save a lot of hassle, you know. So yeah, I'll just click on one of them again. And this is the first, okay. A different one. These ones are all the first actually. The ones I'm checking out.
Well, I might change some of them. A good few of them.
Yeah, and they're all the first. I think I had the first as well, but a few of them seem to crept through as being the 28th. Let me just see now on this.
No,
Yeah,
that's no. I did a lot of them over the weekend. So
okay, those are so which ones were acting up again?
everything. Central. Let's see what other one.
There was a CF one we had. C/F was one of those, wasn't it?
205 down further. See that 305, 205.
That
Next
one.
below that.
Okay.
Then down below the next one down.
But this one here.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, you see, this
Let's
is
come back to the first there now.
it's all brought forward. I think you have, isn't it?
Yeah. Okay. Please select the transaction date. Yeah, it's trying to go to the first, which is
Oh, this is your adjustment, is it? That's the date. Yeah.
yeah, it's the day we started tracking. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to put it onto a Facebook page
Yeah.
for this program, and the QuickBooks guys will give me a hand.
Yeah.
QuickBooks accountant community. If we get stuck like this, we put it on here.
Yeah.
So I'll put it on there. Let me see. Client has tracking stock as of the date meant to start
First of
from Jan 1.
Jan 1.
Is it possible to adjust the as object? Yeah, I'll put that on there and they'll come back to me quick enough. Not from there now. This guy 7 hours ago since he was on. Okay, not the best answer I'm giving you, but hopefully it'll come back.
We'll come back. And if they can answer as well about Martin's.
I'll fix this, yeah. I'll fix it, yeah.
Yeah. We'll look at that, yeah.
Yeah.
And
that now. Okay.
will I hold off so on making any changes to these, or will I go ahead and make the VAT changes to the central chemical ones?
Yeah, I'd make the VAT changes anyway. Yeah.
Change the invoices, so go back to January.
Yeah, actually on that VAT change, let me just show you a quick yeah, so see this thing here, reclassify transactions.
Yeah.
Okay. Am I recording this? Let me just check I am. Yeah. So reclassify. I'm just going to touch that and we'll go from the first of the year.
Yeah.
Up to now. What's the name of the customer?
Central, as supplier, Central CENTRAL,
Okay.
NTRA.
Central Chem. Yeah. So it's going to bring up all transactions. We just want the bills. You see that one there?
Yeah.
That's the one we changed there. You see it?
Yeah.
RCGR. So are all of them 0? Yeah.
All of them are 0. Yes, there's only one particular item that he sells at 0%. In other words, everything
Okay.
is at 23%, but there's only one that he would sell at 0%. So what would that VAT code be? RCG something, isn't it?
Yeah, it will. Yeah. But this one is done. You see this one, right?
Yeah.
That one seems to be in the wrong place. That one there, but anyway. I'm going to undo that one. It's all different rates here for the moment. See what it changed though. See the bill. Okay.
RCG minus R. There.
RCG minus R.
So you think you can just reclassify the,
You can do the whole lot in one go, yeah.
and I wonder will that change the date of the invoice?
I don't think it'll change the date. No, the dates will still stay what is on them. Just see that what we want. RCG minus. What's that read it? RCG. Oh, sorry. We say we want to change them all. Okay.
These are bills and you're modifying them.
Okay. The account. I'll leave that alone. The VAT, just here, do the VAT change.
Yeah.
That's the one. Okay, change what you can. Okay, it's changed 13 out of 14 of them anyway.
And it didn't, the date stayed the same.
It's changed all to that RCGR.
Yeah, but
No.
it didn't change the date of the invoice, you know.
The name or the date?
Sorry, the date of the invoice. I see the
No, it
date.
didn't change the date, no.
Yeah.
You see these ones here that are in VAT payable? I'm just wondering about those.
12756.
Well, there's none of them in on the product service yet either, but it's done that now. You see that every time.
Yeah.
So it's got them all in the right VAT rate anyway for now. But it doesn't have the stock side of it.
Do we need
but
to change that?
at least it's that much done anyway.
But is that on my system now?
Yeah, it is. It's a quick way of doing it. If something like that happens, you go into accountant tools at the top.
Yeah.
And it'll do the lot for you, you know.
Yeah.
It also would move it from one account, say from telephone into repairs or something, you know, that type of thing.
Yeah, yeah. Well, that's done. That saves
Yeah.
me spending an hour.
Does, yeah.
Yeah.
That's a handy one. So that's a lot of that done. And just while you're looking at it, I'll just go to the VAT return.
Oh yeah.
Give you an idea how it comes through. When you go prepare return. See here, value of goods received from other EU countries.
Yeah.
It has that'll be all those central chem in there.
Yeah.
And you'll see the VAT that would have been charged, it will be both in here and in here, cancelling each other out. Yeah, I see there he's on the cash basis for VAT, is he?
Cash basis does the VAT. Yeah, when he pays.
When he's paid.
When he's paid, yeah.
Yeah, and just see that says accrual there.
Hold on a second. Yeah, that is, yeah. It's cash.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I know I have his VAT number there anyway, but okay. For some reason that was on accrual there. I don't know why I jumped to that. But anyway, it's in the right place now, yeah. Okay, so hopefully these lads will see what they're back yet. I had the same issue. The duplicate client would have one No, that's a different question. Yeah.
Yeah.
No one's answered me yet. Okay.
That's fine. Give me an email if you come up with any things. I'll get my emails and I'll be talking to you anyways next week or whenever I'm
Yeah,
on the
that
land.
sounds, yeah, I will. I'll